Hello everyone. Huge setback cannot keep us waiting and thinking, what did I do wrong? Why it happened to me? Instead, we are trying to switch, stay disciplined from this to ourselves, going out, giving it to our best every day, switching from one to different. Here I have built this and now I have option to do this. There is no stopping. The grind should not stop. The hustle should not stop. It's always something. It's either or. Either you're lazy, either you are blaming others for your failures, either you blaming yourself, either you blaming, oh, why did it happen to me only? Well, it happened to me, but I'm trying to change. I'm trying to work whatever I have. Of course, it's hard. Not a lot of people out there have this leverage, switching from one to another right away. This is intense work. It's not easy sitting 9 to 5 or going to a cafe, doing a barista, waiting. This is real stuff. Real project which requires skill, code, expertise, experience. Never give up. If you'll give up, you'll get stuck. Setbacks will come and go. Nobody's coming to help. It's just you. Family is there to support you. At the end, it's just you. You're the one. Being lazy, oh, I'll start it tomorrow. I'll start something else tomorrow. I'll start working out tomorrow. I'll drive tomorrow. I'll take a rest today. I'll go watch a movie. Yes, those things are important as well. Stay driven, stay focused. No one is perfect. You cannot be. I'm not. Learning from mistakes. Working on myself, keeping myself together. It's important. It works. It keeps you checked. It keeps you not losing faith. It opens your blood flow. It opens your opportunities. It opens your self, you like motivation. You are the one who's doing it. And you will be the one who will be doing it. No one else is doing it for you. There is nothing that you will be left behind if you're consistent, you're hardworking, if you're giving your best. Even if you're not doing the best of your best, but if you're showing up, there is no race. It's always someone on top of someone. It's always, if you're wealthy, there is someone powerful. If you're powerful, someone else is powerful than you. Maybe it's God at the end. So don't think that you will be left behind, or there is a race to win. No. Again, it's just you at the end. You're like the guy who's trying to carve out the stone, he starts with a big irregular shaped stone. First hammer, second hammer, third hammer, nothing is happening. But eventually, with his dedication, with his hard work, with his skill, with his consistency, with his showing up, he makes it.